Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video. In this lesson, we'll go through some common conversations in English and explain the meaning of difficult words to help you understand better. Stay with us to learn useful phrases and improve your English skills. Family conversation. How many people are there in your family?
There are five people in my family: my father, mother, brother, sister, and me.
Does your family live in a house or an apartment?
We live in a house in the countryside.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital.
How old is your mother?
40 years old, 1 year younger than my father.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one elder brother, David, and one younger sister, Mary.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night.
Does your family usually have dinner together?
Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals.
What does your mother or father like?
My father likes playing football, and my mother likes cooking.
Do you stay with your parents?
Right now, no, but I used to.
Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters?
No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family.
Difficult words. Countryside. This means an area that is outside of cities or towns. It's usually peaceful with nature, farms, and fewer people. Local hospital. The hospital that is near your home or in your community. Elder. This means older. For example, elder brother means a brother who is older than you. Let you stay out late. This means to allow you to be outside your home at night for a long time. Used to. A phrase to talk about something that happened in the past but doesn't happen now. Books conversation. How often do you read books?
I read books almost every night before I go to bed.
What's your favorite type of book?
I love reading about different cultures.
What can you learn from books?
Books can broaden my horizon about thousands of things around the world, and books are also my best friends.
Where do you read books?
I read books at home, sometimes in the library.
What's the most interesting book you have ever read?
I think that would be Nepal, a book written about the country of Nepal, published in 1999.
How long does it take you to finish a book?
Well, it depends on the length of the book, but it usually takes me a week to finish a 300-page book.
Do you usually bring books with you when you travel?
Yes, I do. When I'm at the airport or bus station, I read books to kill time.
Is there any bookstore or library in your area?
Unfortunately, there are none near my house. The nearest one is 3 kilometers away.
Difficult words. Broaden my horizon. This means to increase your knowledge and understanding about the world, cultures, the ideas, customs, and traditions of a group of people or country. Published. When a book is printed and made available for people to buy or read. Depends on. This means that something changes based on a situation, kill time, to do something to pass the time while waiting for something else. Restaurant conversation. How often do you eat out? Who do you go with?
I often eat out on weekends when I hang out with my friends.
What restaurant do you usually visit?
Well, there are not many restaurants in my neighborhood, so my best choice is the deli and convenience stores like the Circle K, Mini Stop, B Smart.
What type of food do you enjoy to eat? Western or Asian?
I'm interested in Asian food. Western food is not my thing.
How much do you usually pay when you eat out?
It's not very expensive, just around $5 for each meal.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I do, especially on cold days.
Are the servers there friendly to you?
Yes, they are. Most of them are really helpful.
Have you ever tried Italian food?
Yes, at least once when I was in my friend's wedding party.
Are you concerned about calories when eating out?
Yes, I am. I'm on diet now, so this really matters to me.
Are fast food restaurants famous in your country?
Yes, they are. The youth in my country are big fans of fast food.
Do you often drink soda when eating out?
No, not often. Just when I have parties with my friends.
Difficult words. Eat out. To have meals at restaurants instead of eating at home. Hang out. To spend time relaxing or socializing with friends. Deli. A small store or part of a store that sells prepared food like sandwiches, salads, and snacks. Convenience stores. Small stores that sell everyday items like snacks, drinks, and basic groceries, usually open for long hours. Western food. Food that comes from Western countries such as Europe or the Americas, like pizza, burgers, or pasta. Not my thing. A casual way to say you don't like something or it doesn't interest you. Servers, people who work in restaurants and bring food and drinks to customers. Youth, young people, especially teenagers or those in their early 20s. That's enough for today. I'm trying to share everything that could help you learn English, and I hope you found it useful. Please let me know in the comments if there's anything else you'd like me to explain about learning English. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.